All right, here we go. Not the oh yeah.
No, hey, don't do that. Don't do that. It's a Chavez thing. It's a Chavez thing, not the La Olla.
I don't know.
De La Hoya got it from Chavez. Are you a De La Hoya guy?
No.
Yeah, I bumped into
Canelo.
David Benavides, man. Did you see the fight this weekend?
You saying my kid. Come on.
Well, he's not fighting anymore, but yeah. Are we on? Let's roll.
All right. And it's time again for Flex's legal.
All right.
That was pretty good. You know why? I think it's copywritten or something.
Somebody else's.
The only reason why I was doing that is because I was trying to channel your energy. Because this is going to be about you today. Let's get to know.
Inquiry minds want to know?
Let's get to know Arnoldo. Speaking of that,
Dude,
congratulations.
somebody found him?
Somebody won.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
It wasn't Amanda. Simple Amanda. It's not.
What did they have? Did they just go to Texas Bar, dog?
Probably, yeah. Congratulations.
To whoever thought of doing
I'm
that?
going to butcher it. Baby? Ibe. Something with a B. Congratulations, since you guessed it. It was Arnoldo. Wait, hold on. My Spanish is Arnoldo. En vivo, aquí con Flex el Legal Bit, de parte de Colgate y Coca-Cola, en este viernes.
Does he in the
Take it away.
Does he in the switch?
All right, so it's all about you today.
Well, ask away, man.
All right, what up? So, inquiring minds want to know. We're Flex's Legal Bit here every Friday, and we're going to be doing a special segment next week, and we'll let you know more about that on Facebook. But today, it's all about this big guy. And of course, we're going to ask some questions that you maybe want to know, like where he started, his time in the war, everything, and in between. But of course, it all started with college.
Time I used to date Angelina Jolie and all that.
Oh, no, don't bring that up.
Okay. All right. I mean, people don't want to know.
Brad, I'm sorry, Brad. So we're kicking off with your passion for the law. Where did it start?
Yeah. All right. Well, good morning, everybody. To begin with, my name is Raul Guajardo. We're here in Edinburgh right now. We focus on personal injury cases. And I've been practicing for almost 22 years now. And my passion for the law started, well, I think it started since I was a child. And I kind of liked...
Really?
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Were you in debate?
Into what?
Debate.
Oh, debates. No.
You didn't do debates?
No. Oh. No, but what I liked about the law was, and I hate to coin some other people, but it's not really the power, but the authority to be able to change people's lives. The power to change.
The superhero syndrome.
Yeah. The ability to change somebody else's life. And then when I was in high school, I took this one course.
It was a debate?
No. It is what? I think it's called, I think it was consumer law or something like that.
Oh, okay.
It is a really good course. It was a little bit of everything, a little bit of not just consumer law, and I kind of got hooked from there on.
Should have been a debate.
Yeah. Apparently I'm debating with you now.
So consumer law, I didn't have that course when I was in...
I don't even know if it was called consumer law necessarily, but I remember talking about
known as history.
Well, now it is. So it was basically a little bit of criminal law. It was a little bit of civil law. It was a little bit of consumer issues. So it kind of wrapped me into like the whole, what you can do to defend yourself and to help other people. So, all that concept. I learned about entrapment back then.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's when police officers park with their lights off.
Not necessarily, but yeah.
Yeah.
Some people...
I learned that when I was speeding. So high school, right? Econ, government, that whole thing came about and led you to your college years. College right off the bat, you knew from the get-go?
Well, I knew that's what I liked. And when I went to college, I started working right after graduation. I started working for an attorney first. Mm-hmm. And that attorney did a lot of personal injury cases. So, I kind of got interested in how you can help injured people by using experts. I mean, when I was in high school, I took a little bit of everything. I took auto mechanics, carpentry, masonry, all that stuff. Remember the
jack of all trades, yeah.
Well, not that I can do them, but
you can also take a kink.
I had what is it? Homemaking?
Home ec?
Yeah, I took that, and then they opened the carpentry class. Dude, they had no space for me anywhere.
I had to take a baby home.
Wow. So thereafter, I took a little bit of everything, and I found interesting how you can hire experts to help. For example, when there's a rollover case, you hire people, who are engineers, and you hire people who are mechanics to see if the brakes were faulty and stuff like that. And I'm like, hey, that's cool. you know, and that's kind of like a little bit of what I know too. So that's when I got the peak interest in doing more personal injury cases.
Is it kind of like somebody from mid school? You kind of go on like the general aspect, and then you find out what your niche
could be. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure if it's exactly that, but at least for me, it was like that's what I figured I really liked. But when I started practicing, I liked to go to court a lot. So the cases that take you to court the most are criminal cases.
Which you more on that.
I don't do that now because they take you to court more.
You're like, no.
Well, I mean, then I don't get a chance to work too much on my personal injury cases. So yeah, that's why we just focused on personal injury cases.
So was it pedal to the metal, full go as soon as you got out of college?
No, like I said, you know, if you pay attention, when I got out of college,
we what?
Yeah, when I got out of college, I started working for this lawyer. I worked for him for a couple of years, and during that time, I took my LSAT, got ready to go to law school. That's what I did. Once I went to law school, during the summers, I would come out and work for some lawyers, personal injury lawyers, and learn a little bit about demand letters and all that stuff. When I graduated, I set up shop and I started doing a little bit of everything. I started doing criminal, family, all that. And I met this one judge who I was introducing myself to the judges, you know, the first month that I was out.
Yeah.
And this one judge was on the phone with the DA from another county. And he kind of says, hey, man, I just hung up with the DA. And he's looking for somebody. And here, how do you call him? And he passed him over to me. And I'm like, so they offered me a job right there on the spot.
Really?
Yeah. And I really didn't want it. But
it was your foot in the door.
What was I going to say to the judge that I just met? No, judge, thank you. So when I spoke to the DA, he says, look, you can go ahead and do criminal over here and do whatever else you want in that other county. So
we're not mentioning counties?
Oh, we're not.
Oh, okay.
No, we're not. It's an adjacent county. I'll tell you where it's at. It's an adjacent county from here. Yeah, we got several adjacent counties. So
we started in Brooks.
Not adjacent to it, is that? The long and the short of it is, we focus mostly on personal injury here and family law, which I don't do anymore because it is a pain. And but we had some good success stories with family law.
But you are really, really well adapted or equipped to handle contracts, according to your 100% tests that I've seen.
What do you mean that certificate?
The certificate, yeah.
I got number one in the whole school?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The whole school. And what school was that?
That school up in Houston, man.
You're not going to get
I graduated from TSU, Thurgood Marshall School of Law.
That's from Harvard.
That's the Harvard of Houston.
Oh,
yeah.
Serious. So you had your time to the DA, got your foot in there. Mm-hmm. You got a little bit of Harvey Specter going on.
Yeah, I guess so. Because it was just the DA and myself. It was just it's a small county. So now I kind of narrowed it.
Yeah.
Aha, it's not Cameron.
Did you find your Donna?
I don't know. Can you tell me? Is that a movie?
It's a Suits reference in case anybody...
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't watch series. I watch movies. Because I like for them to start and finish. So that I can go on with my life.
So DA brings you back over here to Edinburgh. Little work over here.
Well, the DA's office in that other county.
Yeah.
You know, I did that for a couple of years, and I got busier and busier here. So yeah.
And now, here we are, right smack in the middle of Edinburgh.
Exactly. But we're also in Cameron County.
We are.
And we're also in Bear County in San Antonio.
We are. And in McAllen County.
McAllen County.
So, Hidalgo County. Yeah, that's right. 4 locations nationwide. We do have somebody in Colombia, by the way.
Yeah, we do. But you know, the law is taken to different places. I've practiced in Iowa. I practiced in California.
No, you did.
I had it.
Iowa?
Yeah.
There's nothing but corn in that state.
Yeah. There's a labor issue. So a friend of mine got in trouble with it. So, yeah, he passed away recently, but yeah.
So,
well, I mean, we can be if it requires.
So if you need any information, if you need any help, our offices, of course, we have one here. Our main one is in Edinburgh. You can find all of us here, especially if you just want to take some pictures, you want an autograph from the big guy. If you want, sure.
But even better, we have like goodie bags, right? They can stop by. We got like little souvenirs. We got cups. We got pens. We got koozies.
A lot of stuff that we order that he doesn't know about. We just ordered.
Water bottles.
But yeah, of course, talking about the best here in the Valley for personal injury. And I say that not because he pays me well. I say that because all the cases that come in and all the reviews that we have, and you can see the reviews for yourself, you know, we're not looking to go pick up a case and then not show up to court. You know, we're not looking to pick up a case and then never meet the client.
Exactly. So I do try and make it a point to meet everybody that comes in this office.
Are we going to out people?
No. I'm just saying how we do things here, right?
Welcome to the segment where we out all the lawyers that don't do what they're supposed to do.
No, that's not it. No, I respect every lawyer that's out there. Whatever they do, God bless their heart. But no, what we do is, I like to try and meet everybody, and we like to every case that we have, we look at all the angles that we can to try and help them out, particularly without filing a lawsuit, because once we file a lawsuit, it does take time, but we do file lawsuits. That's our job. Yeah, that's what we do. We do go to court, we do go to trial, and that's what we do.
And we do it well.
We do it.
So we get here in Edinburgh, 706 East University Drive. You can come over here Monday through Friday. We are open till about 5:30, just depending on how we feel, or in case we take off free lunch. But give us a call, 956-318-3200. You can set up an appointment. Of course, consultations are absolutely FREE free. And they can see you. Or you can see me. There you go. Also, be sure to give us a like, stay followed. Check us out on YouTube. We're on TikTok. We are on Instagram. We are on Facebook. I don't even know where else we're on.
I think Instagram, you said that?
Yeah, we're everywhere. But stay tuned for the next one. Of course, the next segment of Flex's Legal Bit, that's going to be where you get to ask any question whatsoever, and he's got to answer no matter what.
Yeah, legal related,
anything.
Legal related.
Well, stay tuned. Last comments you got?
No, thank you for watching our video, and we encourage you to follow us. Again, we always put out some good information, some good tips. Mm-hmm. We try to make some short reels so that you guys can get quick information, and we're always here for you. Questions you have, by all means, give us a call. Our main number is 956-318-3200. You can also visit our webpage, raulguajardo.com.
We'll see you in the next one.
And
we're with you.